Hi guys, welcome to Burns on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be another mom vlog video, and I actually really like doing these videos, even though I don't like showing my kids online anymore because people are crazy as hell and don't know when and where. But I actually really like doing these videos. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I decorated Kai's room. I feel like I did a pretty good job. I wanted his room to be like big boy and also Simba and the jungle theme. So that was what I went into this with the vision for him. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys his room. I changed around some stuff in his room, which you guys will see in the end. Bed is the Dream on Me toddler bed, and I was gonna buy it at Walmart, but it wasn't in stock and they refunded my money. It would cost $108, and I went on Amazon and it cost 65 bucks, so I was lucky like that. Then his bedside table with his light on it is actually from Walmart, and I got it on sale for 26 bucks. His name tags above his bed that spells out his name, it was $197 from Walmart. The Simba thing that I got beside his bed is from Amazon. I don't really remember how much it cost. Oh, I forgot to talk about the decals on the wall. Oh my god, the decals on the wall with Simba and the jungle and all of that is from Amazon. So if you are looking into having like a jungle theme for your son, I actually got them from Amazon, and they're just literally stickers that you can stick on the wall and take off. This right here is his mirror. I got this vine from Walmart, and I put two monkeys on the mirror to go with the whole jungle theme. This mirror is actually a mirror I had on our dresser, but we don't have that dresser anymore. But I saved the mirror because the mirror was really nice and I didn't want to get rid of it. And then this is his teepee hut that I got for him. First of all, I love this teepee hut, but my son is a boy's boy, so this teepee hut would not stay up. When he would go in there and play, it would fall over, so I changed this around for him for functionality. Everything in his room I wanted him to be able to play with. I didn't want it to just look cute, so I switched around this teepee hut, and later on in this video you will see. And the pillow in his teepee hut is from Amazon. It says, "If you need me, I'll be in my teepee." And then the Simba stuffed animal and all the other animals around Simba is from Amazon. And then his rug is actually from Walmart. Over here is his little seat area where he can sit down and play. He normally don't like sitting down on that chair. He sits on the floor, and that is where I put his toys and stuff. I don't like my kids to have too much toys, especially if they're not educational. So right here you see his flashcards that I teach him with. And if you guys know anything about my son know all his letters, he know all his colors, he knows all his letters from way before he was 2 years old. So now we're on to writing, sight words, and reading. I'm really into my kids being top notch when it comes on to education, and I like to for them to have more educational things than things that they can play with. So if you see in his room, that's mostly what he has. The other table that's next to this white table is an educational table. It teach him how to write his ABCs and all of that. So yeah, I like to keep it minimal when it comes on to toys for my children. So right here you see me getting the new TP. This TP took me forever and a day to put together, okay? I had to watch YouTube videos on how to put it together. So I'm just changing out that old TP hut and putting in this new one. I feel like it goes with the theme even more, and it's big, and his sister and his brother can go in it. His dad can also go in it and play with him, because his dad normally goes in his room and play with him, and it goes with my theme. I love it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right here. When I was younger, I had to share a room with my brother Akeem, who is 3 years younger than me, and I used to be really mad because I always wanted my own space, and my mom made it a point for her to actually get me my own space. So when I moved to the US, I had my own room, and Akeem also had his own room, and my little brothers had to share a room, but we always had our own room. And I'm sure my mom don't even remember or know that I remember this. She always said we would have our own room, and that's what she did. So I wanted Kai to have his own space, his place of refuge. No matter what is going on outside, or no matter what is going on inside this house, his room is his place of refuge, his place of safety, his place of expression. And that is why I decorated and put so much time and effort into actually doing his room, because I know when I was growing up, having my own space was really, really important to me, and I want the same thing for my son. And I did this on a budget, okay, a budget, and everything in his room came out to about $500 or $600. I think more on the $600 end. And then so I'm just giving you guys a quick pan of how his room look right now. I really want to switch out his mat, the rug that's under his little tent area, because it doesn't go with his room and decor anymore. I'm probably gonna put a black mat underneath it, just so you guys know. But I love how it looks so far. I'll link everything, and I'll also link what everything costs. And his pillowcases are from Amazon. His throw blanket is also from Amazon, and the lights that are around his bed are from Amazon. Obviously, if you can't tell by now, I love Amazon a lot. His rug is also from Amazon, and the rug goes perfectly with the whole decor. I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy my decor. Yes, baby. I don't show a lot of this on my channel, but I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.